Now looking at a resistance band seated row, you could do this a couple different ways. You could either attach your band to something that you're gonna pull on, or if you don't have that option, you can actually do it just like this. So you're gonna take your band sitting on the ground, double over your band, you're gonna loop it around the bottoms of your feet where the arches are. You're gonna grab the ends, sitting up nice and tall, and then we're just gonna get a nice big pull, squeezing those shoulder blades as we're pulling with the chest up through that whole movement, right? Keeping a nice strong back position, thinking about pulling those shoulders back, pushing your chest up as you pull, and keeping the band nice and tight through that entire movement. And if you want to make that a little bit more challenging, you can loop your hands through and grab, and then do the same thing, get in that nice strong position, big pull, and back. And that just adds a little bit more resistance, making sure you're not here, you want to be chest up, nice and strong. Okay, so that would be a resistance band seated row.